Good day. Our topic is about switch statement. What is switch statements? It is similar to a conditional statement but only checks for equality and only works with strings, character, integers, and enumerators. So, di siya pareho kaan. If else, iyara i-compare ang data if the statement is true. Kani siya, ang sa switch, iyang i-compare if the condition is equal to. And work na siya gamit string, gamit character, integer, o enumerators. Okay. So, unsa may gamito na ito nga keyword. So, now, we're gonna use case keyword sa switch statement. Natural, if wala ning case nga keyword, dili ta ka create og switch statement. It is the main part of the switch statement ang case nga keyword. Okay. So, unsa nang case? So, if muhatag ka og variable, then naa kay mga case if kailangan imong gihatag nga variable is equal ba ana nga case. So, for example, here. So, we have here the switch variable and then iyang i-check if ang atong variable is equal ba sa case 1. If dili, iyang i-read, case 2 ni siya. So, if ever dili gihapon, pag-check niya, dili equal, so, iyang i-print ang case, iyang i-read ang case 2. So, para lang tawon niya if asa jud equal ang iyang variable. Kasi kinsa man ganiyang equal ani nila, mura pod iyang i-print. For example, here, so, this one, wrong spelling is wrong. Okay, for this one, switch and then letter ang atong variable. So, atong buhaton, okay, character man siya. So, case A, kani siya, imagine, letter is A, character. So, if atong hatagan dali nga A ang atong letter, so, iyang i-read ang unang line. If case A, then it's A. And then, if true ni siya, then mura pa niya output. And then, iyang i-break. If case B, if ever mangani wrong ning, if ever mangani dili equal ang case A, then proceed siya sa next nga condition. If the case B is equal to the letter nga atong gi-assign diri sa talas. Okay? For example, I'm gonna try this one. Hi. Then another case. Pero dapat yan, baygon siya para makabalta if asa siya under, kinsa under niya. So if ato niya run, natural iyang i-read kinsa letter A. So switch and then the name of our variable, which is this one, and then iyang i-read kung if our letter is equal to the cases. So for example, we put here letter A. So iyang i-read ang first case na letter A, and then it's true, kani iyang i-print and then break. Okay, so if ato ni i-run, kadali ko. Okay, so this is letter A. Okay, so if B, then right click and then run. Sorry. This is letter B. Okay, so that's it. Claro? So yun naman siya. Actually, subtune. Okay. And then, so default keyword, what is default keyword? Is often used to handle values that are not on a case. So if ang value sa atong variable wala sa mga cases nga atong ipang butang, then ang value sa default may iyahong gamiton. So it is recommended that this keyword is used on the end of a switch statement. For example, so since we have case A and case B, so ito yung lang ilalang is the default. So may default. So for example, this is invalid. This is invalid. Something. Then ako dire at G. So here, this is invalid. It's because wala may G sa cases. Okay? So that's it. Here. Next is this one. So this is the syntax. If there's no variable, if the value of the if our value is not equal to the cases nga itong ginabutang, sorry, it's case 2 ni siya ha, then it will run the default, and the default must be on the last portion of the program. Default is the last statement of your switch program. Next, what is so this is the practical example, this one. So it's A, B, and then invalid letter. What is the break keyword? So it is used to break out of a switch statement or loop statements without executing the whole block of code inside it. So which means if naare break, if pag-read niya sa atong mga cases, if ang value is really equal to the first case, then automatic iyang i-break. Kaya if dili na to i-break, kung asa mag-start ang true, iya pong i-run ang iyang kasunod. For example, letter A, B, and C, and D, A to D. If akong gitype dito is letter C, then iyang i-read ang first case, dili man, C is not equal to A. And then B, dili man po equal ang C sa B. But, pag-check niya sa case 3, which is letter C, then true man, so iyang i-run ang letter C, and iya pong i-run ang letter D. Kay, wala may break. So, kung asa mag-start ang true, iya pong i-true ang the rest. So, example, if walay break. For example, this one, letter C, diba? So, A, B, C. Can I add another one? So, dapat bahig siya ha kahit para makita na to as an underning atong mga cases, ang mga sa atong cases, statement sa atong cases. Okay, for example here, this wala ko ga-break, this one, remove this one, and remove this one. Yeah, letter C akong gikuan. So pag-run na to, iyang run, sorry, one, ABCD, ABCD. So iyang i-run si C o si D o si invalid, iyang i-run ng tulo kaya wala may break, kaya iyang i-read from top to bottom man jud. So if this false, di niya i-print. B is dili man niya i-print because it's not equal to C. So since diri ga start ang equality niya, then the rest will follow. Okay, so that's why in case, break is a very important. Break keyword is very important. Okay, once makita na niya ang equal sa iyang value, then i-break na, di na niya i-run. Okay, it takes seconds or it takes time. Pajud kay what if million yung data niya, pag-check niya imong data na sa kaan 100,000 something ingon ana ba, example ani siya ha. Then iyang i-read example na if nasa 500,000 ang record ay ang data, then iyang i-read ang 500 above up to 1 million, di ba? So it takes time kung dili ta mag-break. So in switch case, there should be a break. It must have a break. Okay, it's part of the format sa syntax. It's part of the syntax sa switch statement. Now, I guess if you have any question, please approach me or DM me. And then this one. So I guess if mag-create mo og switch, don't forget the variable and then this one, switch keyword. So if words ko dire, for example, words akong character, then words put atong name put atong sa variable dire. So it must be the same. If ever string, so ito itype dire, string. Okay, and then this is not a string, except the Monday. Okay, sorry, what happened? Ito kaya S. So here, so malikwan M. Sorry, Monday. Ano? So if i-run ako na, then it's not letter A. So it's really Monday. It's Monday. So that's for string. The one. So if ako na-run, then it's Monday. And then if integer, then int, and then the name of the variable, and then value sa integer. So same magkapa in case, then 1, 2, okay, and then the default, don't forget the default. Now, for practice number 1, please make a switch statement program that takes an integer input representing a day of the week and prints a corresponding message. For example, ako mag-ibutan is integer input siya ha. Para dili sa tamag user input ano yun. If integer ang imuhong para di maglipog. Ako ni input. So make a switch statement program that takes an integer representing a day of the week. So day of the week is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and so on up to Sunday. Imong buhatan is number na po da kay integer man eh. So number. So if may ako ibutag 3, isa my third day. It's Wednesday, di ba? So ingon ana. Okay, and prints a corresponding message. So if Wednesday, butag, hey, it's Wednesday, something like that. That's for practice switch number 1. For number 2, so same, make a switch statement program with user input that takes an integer input representing a day of the week and prints a corresponding message. So mag-input ta og number. Pag input na kog 2, then 2 is what? Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Okay, so that would be all. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to approach me. Bye everyone.